Hey there! Ever noticed how your money just doesn't go as far as it used to? Like last year, you could grab a whole cart of groceries, and now the same stuff costs so much more. What's the deal? Is your wallet playing tricks on you? Nah, it's something called inflation. Today, we're gonna break down inflation in a way that actually makes sense. It's that sneaky thing that makes your money feel like it's shrinking. But don't worry, we'll figure out what it is, why it happens, and how you can deal with it. Let's dive in. What is inflation? Inflation is when the price of stuff, think groceries, clothes, or your favorite coffee, keeps going up over time. It means your money buys less than it used to. For example, if your go-to pizza used to cost $200 and now it's $220, that's inflation doing its thing. It's not just one item though. It's when prices rise across the board. Why does inflation happen? So why do prices keep climbing? Here are the main reasons, made super simple. Too many people want the same thing. Imagine everyone's rushing to buy the newest phone, but there aren't enough to go around. When demand is high and supply is low, prices shoot up. It's like trying to grab the last slice of cake at a party. It costs more to make stuff. Let's say the price of oil goes way up. Suddenly, it's pricier to make and ship everything. Your snacks, your clothes, even your car. Companies pass those extra costs on to us, and boom, prices rise. Wages and prices keep chasing each other. When people know prices are going up, they ask for higher salaries to keep up. Then businesses raise prices to pay those salaries, and it becomes a never-ending loop. It's like a dog chasing its tail, printing extra money. Sometimes, the government prints more cash. If there's more money floating around but the same amount of stuff to buy, prices go up. It's like adding too many players to a game without enough prizes. How do we measure inflation? There's a tool called the Consumer Price Index, or CPI. Picture a giant shopping basket filled with things we all buy: food, rent, gas, clothes. Every month, experts check how much it costs to fill that basket. If it's more expensive than before, that's inflation. If it's cheaper, that's called deflation. Is inflation always bad? Here's the thing. A little inflation isn't the end of the world. It can actually mean the economy is doing okay. People are spending, businesses are growing. But when inflation gets out of control, it's trouble. Imagine prices doubling overnight. Your savings would be worth peanuts. On the other hand, deflation, when prices drop, might sound awesome, but it's not always great. If prices keep falling, people stop buying. Businesses struggle and jobs can disappear. It's all about balance. How do we keep inflation in check? There are a couple of ways to tame inflation. Central banks step in. Places like the Reserve Bank of India can raise interest rates. This makes borrowing money more expensive, so people spend less, and the economy cools down. Government moves. The government can spend less or raise taxes. This pulls some money out of the economy, which helps keep prices from spiraling. It's like walking a tightrope. Too much control, and the economy slows down too much. Too little, and inflation goes wild. How can you protect yourself? Inflation might feel like a big, scary monster, but you've got some tricks up your sleeve. Invest smart. Things like stocks, real estate, or special bonds can grow faster than inflation, so your money keeps its value. Mix it up. Don't put all your money in one place. Spread it out to stay safe. Stay curious. The more you learn about money, the better you can handle whatever comes your way. Let's wrap it up. Inflation is like that annoying friend who's always around, but you can learn to deal with it. Stay informed, make smart choices, and you'll be ready for anything. Your money might face some challenges, but you're tougher. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your friends.